Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a 1978 model P26 Pioneer chainsaw. This is 3.14 cubic inch. The weight on the power head is 9 pounds, 10 ounces. The saw is capable of running up to a 20-inch bar. And this one here has a 16-inch bar and chain. And we'll take a close-up at this saw. It's quite clean, very nice, low mileage. It's got the Easy Arc start system, which is a compression release underneath that starter housing. You have to pull the housing off, take a look at it. There's a decompression valve underneath there, and so it gives it that easy spin. Kill switch is right here. And throttle lock. So you can free up a hand when starting this is to squeeze the trigger and push in that little round knob there, and that throttle locks it at quarter throttle. Choke right here. And it's just very nice, very clean. Just in excellent shape. And on the number here it says 78 when it was built. Made in Canada. And what's really nice about this sail, it comes with this original carry case. Look how clean that is. Got the Pioneer logo right there. Just a very nice saw. It's such a clean saw, I'm not going to go out and make a cut with it. Could be a collector wanting it out there, and I don't want to ding it up. Does run very well though.